Hello guys, welcome back to WordPress W3 School. WordPress security requires a team of dedicated analysts researching the latest malware variants and WordPress exploits, turning them into firewall rules and malware signatures, and releasing those to customers in real time. Wordfence is widely acknowledged as the #1 WordPress security research team in the world. Our plugin provides a comprehensive suite of security features, and our team's research is what powers our plugin and provides the level of security that we are known for. Wordfence Security, plugin free, install and activate.